12 must-have gadgets from Amazon. 2025. Let's face it, gadgets are changing the way we live, work, and play. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love having cool stuff, the gadgets we're talking about today will blow your mind. From smarter home lighting to innovative fitness tools, these 12 must-have gadgets from Amazon 2025 are designed to make your life easier, more fun, and way more efficient. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and elevate your tech game, let's dive in and explore the coolest gadgets you can get your hands on right now. Govee Lamp. Let's kick things off with the Govee Lamp, a sleek and ultra-modern smart light that's perfect for setting the right mood in any room. This isn't just any ordinary lamp. The Govee Lamp is packed with cutting-edge features like customizable RGB color options, app control, and even voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, watching a movie, or just relaxing at home, you can adjust the lighting to match your vibe in real time. The Govee Lamp is designed to integrate seamlessly into your home decor, offering a chic, minimalist look that complements any space. iPair Scuba X1 Pro Max. Now, if you've ever dreamed of having a scuba dive without all the hassle, the iPair Scuba X1 Pro Max is the gadget for you. This underwater scooter is built for serious adventurers looking to explore the ocean depths without the need for bulky equipment. The iPair Scuba X1 Pro Max allows you to effortlessly glide through water, reaching depths of up to 40 meters, and can move at speeds of up to 3.3 miles per hour. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or just having fun in the pool, this gadget makes exploring aquatic environments incredibly easy and exciting. Govee Strip Light. Next, let's talk about the Govee Strip Light, a must-have for those who want to transform any room into a vibrant, immersive space. These RGB strip lights are fully customizable, offering millions of colors and preset modes to match your mood, music, or activity. Whether you're decorating your home, enhancing your gaming setup, or creating a cozy ambiance for movie night, the Govee Strip Light offers endless possibilities. What makes these lights stand out is their smart functionality. You can control them via an app, sync them with music, and even set them on a timer. Viltrox DCA1. For all the content creators out there, the Viltrox DCA1 is a must-have tool. This portable camera light is a game-changer for anyone who needs professional lighting on the go. Whether you're recording videos, taking photos, or live streaming, the Viltrox DCA1 provides consistent, adjustable lighting that enhances your visuals without the bulky setup. It features a color temperature range from 2,500 Kelvin to 8,500 Kelvin, giving you the freedom to achieve the perfect lighting in any situation. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your camera bag, and it has built-in rechargeable batteries for hours of uninterrupted use. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Next up, let's talk 3D printing. The Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo is the perfect 3D printer for anyone who wants to take their creativity to the next level. This user-friendly, affordable 3D printer comes with advanced features like automatic bed leveling and ultra-smooth printing technology, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to produce high-quality prints. Whether you're creating prototypes, custom parts, or just fun projects, the Cobra S1 Combo provides great results with less effort. It also comes with a large print volume, giving you the space to create bigger designs without the need for multiple print sessions. Vivo Monitor Mount. Let's face it, desk space is precious. Enter the Vivo Monitor Mount, the perfect solution for anyone who needs more flexibility and better ergonomics in their workspace. This adjustable mount allows you to free up valuable desk space while positioning your monitor at the perfect height and angle for comfort and productivity. With the Vivo Monitor Mount, you can easily swivel, tilt, and rotate your screen, reducing strain on your neck and eyes. It's sturdy, reliable, and perfect for home offices, workstations, or gaming setups. PawFit 3 Pet lovers, this one's for you. The PawFit 3 is an advanced GPS tracker designed for dogs, or any furry friend, that allows you to monitor their activity, location, and health in real time. With features like a real-time GPS tracker, activity monitor, and even a virtual fence, the Paw Fit 3 helps ensure your pet is always safe and active. It's perfect for pet owners who want to keep tabs on their dog while they're out and about. The device tracks their movements, monitors their vitals, and even alerts you if they leave a designated safe zone. Ivtifu Grill Basket. If you love grilling, the Ivtifu Grill Basket is a game changer. This innovative accessory makes grilling vegetables, seafood, and smaller items a breeze. With its stainless steel construction and large, spacious design, the Ivtifu Grill Basket allows heat to circulate evenly, ensuring that your food is perfectly cooked every time. The basket has multiple small holes, which allow for even grilling while preventing small items from falling through the cracks. It's also easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making it a hassle-free tool for any grilling enthusiast. NutriBullet Flip. Ready to take your smoothies and shakes to the next level? The NutriBullet Flip is a compact, portable blender that lets you enjoy fresh, nutritious drinks wherever you are. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go, the NutriBullet Flip delivers smooth, creamy shakes in seconds. With its high-powered motor, it can easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and veggies, giving you a quick, healthy boost. The flip-top lid makes it easy to drink directly from the blender, and its sleek design means it won't take up much space in your bag or kitchen. With multiple color options, the NutriBullet Flip is as stylish as it is functional. Wakako Mini Presso GR2. Coffee lovers, you're going to love the Wakako Mini Presso GR2. This portable espresso machine lets you brew your favorite espresso shots anywhere, anytime. Whether you're camping, traveling, or simply enjoying a coffee break at home, the Mini Presso GR2 allows you to make authentic espresso with just hot water and ground coffee. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use, giving you a professional quality coffee experience on the go. No need for bulky machines or long lines at the coffee shop. Just load it up, pump it, and you've got a delicious espresso shot in seconds. Nelco P21. If you're in need of a high-tech way to protect your home, the Nelco P21 is an advanced home security system you'll want to check out. This smart surveillance camera offers crystal-clear 4K video, night vision, and a wide-angle lens that can cover more ground than traditional cameras. It also includes AI-powered motion detection, which means it can differentiate between pets, people, and vehicles, reducing unnecessary alerts. You can access live feeds through the app, ensuring you can always keep an eye on your property. Whether you're protecting your home, office, or valuable equipment, the Nelco P21 ensures your space is secure 24/7. FitKing. Last on the list, we've got the FitKing, a portable air compression massager designed to relieve stress and muscle tension. It's perfect for athletes, office workers, or anyone who needs a little relief after a long day. The FitKing works by using air compression to massage your calves, arms, and even your feet, helping to improve circulation and reduce swelling. It's adjustable, comfortable, and easy to use while watching TV, reading, or even working. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. These products will not only make your life easier, but also more fun and efficient. Which gadget are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love cool tech as much as you do.